Are you ready to master the key supply chain skills that drive success in the modern business world? The Masters in Advanced Supply Chain Management at Corvinus is designed for individuals who already have management knowledge and are ready to become supply chain experts in just 1 year. As supply chain continues to evolve, you will learn how to handle the challenges and opportunities in this fast-paced field. The future-focused curriculum equips students with expertise in sustainability, smart manufacturing, and digital transformation, which are key areas shaping the future of global supply chains. You can benefit from strong industry partnerships with leading logistics and supply chain companies, ensuring valuable experience and job placement support. Graduates of the program are in high demand, securing top positions in global companies, actively seeking talent in supply chain management. Studying in Budapest, a Central European logistics hub, offers unmatched access to international markets and a thriving business environment, giving students a strategic advantage in their careers. In just 1 year, you will gain cutting-edge supply chain knowledge and become a highly sought-after professional in this dynamic sector. Whether you're aiming for a career in global logistics, operations management, or consulting, the Masters in Advanced Supply Chain Management will set you up for success. Apply now.